Hi guys, you have no mouse or the mouse is waste. Don't worry. Take your keyboard, then hold Alt Shift plus number lock. See the message on your monitor. Mouse key is turned on message. Press yes. Okay. From now on, the mouse cursor can be controlled by the keyboard. Let's go. Number keys. Press hold 4 for left moving. Press hold 6 for right moving. Press hold 8 for up moving. Press hold 2 for down moving. Press 5 for enter this action. And for close this program, press Alt plus F4. Thanks for watching and connect with me.